Gandang buhay! I'm your Mat Misab. For today's lesson, we will discuss about addition and subtraction of integers. Before we do the examples, let's have the rules in adding and subtracting integers. The rule number 1 is, if the sign are the same, add the numbers and just keep the sign. So, kapag nag-a-add tayo at nagsusubtract ng integers, kapag ang kanilang sign ay parehas, add lang natin. For example, we have positive 5 plus positive 6. As you can see, parehas sila ng sign. Just add it. 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. Then, the sign would become positive because they are the same sign. Next, we have negative 6 plus a negative 7. So as you can see, they have the same sign which is the negative. Pag parehas ng sign, i-add lang natin. 6 plus 7, that would become 13. Then, their sign would become negative. The answer would be negative 13. Next example, we have negative 8 minus 9. As you can see, they have the same sign. Automatically, you will add the two numbers. 8 plus 9, that would become 17. And then, copy the sign of them. That would become negative. So, the answer would be negative 17. Next, the second rule in addition and subtraction of integers is, if the sign are different, ibig sabihin ay magkaiba, subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the number with larger value. When we say larger, mas mataas. For example, we have negative 10 and positive 6. As you can see, they have different sign. So automatically, we will subtract the two numbers. 10 minus 6, that would become 4. Then, look at the larger number. Kasi, pag nalaman natin kung sino yung larger number, yun yung kukunin nating sign. So, here, we have negative 10 as the larger number. So, the answer would be negative 4. Ika-copy natin yung kanyang sign nung larger number na yon. Next, we have negative 7 and positive 8. As you can see, they have different sign. Automatically, we will subtract the two numbers. Okay? Again, kapag magkaiba ang sign, subtract. So, 8 minus 7, that would become 1. Then, look at the highest or the larger number. So, as you can see here, the larger number would be positive 8. So, automatically, the sign would become positive. The answer would be positive 1. Last example, we have 10 minus negative 7. This is another rule in adding and subtracting integers. Pag nagdikit ang dalawang negative na yan, automatically, yan ay magiging positive. Because when we multiply negative to negative, automatically that would become positive. So 10, positive 10 plus positive 7, that would become positive 17 because they have the same sign, so you add 10 plus 7. And that's all for today. Maraming salamat. I hope you learned something for today. Mag-iiwan ako ng isang tanong sa comment section. Bye!